I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Dodge Charger overheating. Start by parking on level ground, allowing the engine to cool and wearing gloves. Open the coolant reservoir to check level and smell for fuel or oil contamination. Visually inspect hoses, clamps, radiator fins, and the overflow tank for damage or leaks, and use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to read any stored codes before moving to repairs. In this video, I will show how to fix Dodge Charger overheating. Next, focus on common failure points one by one while the engine is cool and safe. Remove the thermostat housing to test thermostat operation, pressure test the radiator and inspect for debris, and check the water pump for play, leaks, or a seized bearing. Replace any faulty components with OEM equivalent parts to restore reliable cooling performance. In this video, I will show how to fix Dodge Charger overheating. Quick recommendation. On another note, I've been reading The Simple Path to Wealth, and it offers clear money habits that free up time for car projects. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and more deals. Pick up practical financial insight to fund repairs and parts. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to fix Dodge Charger overheating. After diagnosing, perform a full cooling system flush with the proper coolant type and mixture, then refill to the specified level. Install a new thermostat and radiator cap if they failed, and replace the water pump when seals or bearings are compromised. Thoroughly bleed trapped air from the system, pressure test for leaks, and run the engine to confirm stable operating temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.